Dali. Same lion's head. Ulit, dun. Again. Bagitin mo. Anong animal is, anong hayop yan? Lion. Next. Isa. Isa lang na. Elephant. Nasaan yung ano ng elephant body? Where's the body of elephant? Kanina ang bilis. Oh, good job. What's that? Very good. Frog. Get other one. What? Owl. What's that? Again? What's that? Also. Rabbit. Nasaan yung body ng rabbit? Lagay mo yung head niya. Dali. Oh, very good. Frog. Monkey. Ang galing ah. Ah? Monkey ba yan? Very good. Oh. Next head. Tax. Galing ah. Hindi ko alam yun. Oh, may pag ganun po eh. What's that? Hippo. Ang ganda pa ng ano niya, accent niya. Last one? Giraffe. Oh, hanapin mo yung body ng giraffe. Lagay mo yung head niya. Dali. Very good. Good job. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Very good. Ano niya? Shadow niya. Where's the shadow of panda? Shadow. Very good. Elephant. Elephant mo na. Where's the shadow of elephant? Shadow. Ayos mo. What's that? Ibon. English ng ibon. Bird. Oh, ano yan? Anong tawag dyan? Anong tawag dyan na? Truck? Hindi yan truck. Car. Lucky. Si car. Okay, very good. No.